Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to show a clean with me, like a relaxing clean with me. This is kind of like a Sunday reset because as you can see, my downstairs was a complete disaster after the weekend. So I'm just tidying up and getting ready for the school week because school starts back for the kids on Wednesday. So you see me here just tidying up the dining room, trying to just get everything in order for the week. Have an area or a space in your house where you just throw junk, but in our home the dining table has become like the catch-all or the drop zone, if you will. We literally just throw everything on the dining room table and it's like we'll deal with it later. So as you can see, it gets cluttered very quickly. An Amazon package that I forgot I ordered. Such a shame. It's a doormat. It says hello. Look at it, it's so cute. I completely forgot that I ordered this. So yeah, you see me putting that here outside the front door. Stuff on the table are the kids' school supplies, and the bags on the floor over there are like extra clothes that we got that need to be washed and put away for the school. Also, if you guys have any of these like wall niches in your house, how do you decorate them? Because our dining room is looking a little skimp. I'm not sure how to design or decorate this room. So if you guys have any ideas, please let me know. Should we paint them? I was thinking about painting them a different color and maybe adding artwork into them. Yeah, let me know. And as you can see here, I had my kids help because of course I'm not picking all this up on myself. They have to clean up after themselves as well. Like I said, the kids will be back to school in about 3 days. So here you see me just packing the necessities, the school supplies that they may or may not need into all of their book bags. So yeah. This kitchen, girl, I don't even know. The kitchen is one of the areas that as soon as you get clean, somebody will come and mess it up in 2.5 seconds. There's always somebody that's hungry or somebody that needs something, and the kitchen does not stay clean and tidy for very long in this house. It's really ridiculous. seen my kitchen makeover videos, you know that I epoxied my countertops. So with the kit that I used, you're not supposed to use any like harsh chemical sprays or vinegar or anything like that. So I have to wipe my countertops down with just soap and water. So you just see me scrub it with just regular dish soap and water. Now you can use a vinegar solution, but I think it says that it destroys the epoxy coating quicker, and I'm trying to keep these as long as possible because, you know, we're still trying to decide on what we're gonna do as far as countertops go. Now the living room wasn't too bad. As you can see, my boys did clean up everything that they had down there and straighten up the pillows and everything like that. So all I had to really do was just tidy up a little bit more and to vacuum. All right, so after I vacuum, normally I go in and Swiffer jet all of my tile floors, but today I realized that I ran out of the pads, so I'm gonna have to go to the store and get some more, so the floors will not be mopped today. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, guys. If you enjoyed this, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm praying that the kids have a successful back to school year, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.